You won't believe what I just had to go do. Oh, I wouldn't wish that on anybody. Gee. Ugh. What's going on, guys? Drew with New Beginnings Landscaping. Yeah, I know I've been off scene for quite a while. I haven't really had much to shoot lately, and then we were on vacation last week, and so I definitely didn't have anything there, and I didn't even take my GoPro. I did take my drone. I took a couple pictures, I just had to go and take the test, the screening, I guess you could say, for the Covid-19. This week, I took vacation last week. This week, I'm quarantined. I can't go to work before I get my results back. So I'm out regardless for the entire week. Luckily I was on vacation last week, and then this week will be 2, so it won't be too horrible. But I've already informed everybody that I have to go to this week. Normally I go in the afternoon, late afternoon. Today I'm getting a very late start because I had to wait and get tested. So I'm going at 12:30 in the middle of the day, dead heat. This yard has got quite a bit of shade though, so like I said, I informed them, hey, what's going on? I've got to be tested. I'm quarantined, but I said I can postpone it, or I can come, but either way, I cannot be in direct contact with you guys. And like I said, I'll let everybody know that, and everybody's cool. They're just gonna leave money out, so there's no contact. So that's a good thing. I'm not gonna lose any work as far as lawn care. I should get a 40-hour check from work. Not 100% on that. I don't know how that's gonna work out. But anyway, new camera. I tried shooting it with my GoPro, but once again, it's off. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm gonna show you with the GoPro. But I made an Instagram post. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's just at New Beginnings. I think it's New Beginnings Land SC, or it might be New Beginnings Landscaping SC on Instagram. But I got the Osmo Action. I've got it mounted up on the windshield right now. I'm gonna try to start shooting a little bit better quality. I got tired of the GoPro. It would just freeze up. Like I tried just a while ago, and it said memory card error. And I don't know. I brought it because I was just gonna put it on the weed eater just to save this one, because I don't want it to get damaged like this one is. Like you can see the crack right here on the screen on my GoPro, and this is not the black edition. This is a silver edition, so you can't. This black editions, you can change the batteries out, you can change the lenses out, all that. But the silver editions, you can't. So, busted on that. But anyway, I didn't buy it for lawn care anyway. I bought it for moving on vacation last year. But we're going to mow one. I'm going to set y'all up. We're going to do some mowing and edging and weed eating, string trimming, whatever you want to call it. I have my mask. I've been supposed to wear a mask, so I am gonna wear the mask because of that. Well, actually no, because they're not gonna be out there, so I'm not. If I go into a public place, yes, I'm gonna wear it. Just out of respect for everybody else, in case I do have it. I know there's a whole mask deal going. The N95s, they're not even gonna. Whatever. You can look it up. Look it up for yourself. But we're gonna go mow and get you guys some footage. I've got 2 more to do. I'm gonna wait till this afternoon to go do them. because these people, they got to go out of town, and you know, they don't want to leave the money out while they're not home and wait till this afternoon. So anyways, stick around and we're gonna get into this. So hope you guys enjoy. done here. Well, not done. I got trim, and I'm not using this camera to trim because I learned that lesson the hard way with the GoPro. So just want to show you guys. I don't know how well it's showing up on here, but it really looks good, you know, in person. Let me show you. Lot better, lot better. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, shoot me a like, big thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite type of turf? What's your favorite grass? And no, not the funky stuff. I don't want to know that. So if you guys enjoyed it, we're gonna be probably making quite a few this week, if everything goes as planned with this camera, as far as editing and everything goes. I did do a couple little practice runs, kind of, and it seems like it's going to be a lot easier to get the media off of here than it was the GoPro. So video editing and everything should go a lot smoother for me on my end. So all right guys, like and subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one. Oh, and also before I go, I want to do, my boy did me a solid, so I'm gonna do him a solid. Oh shoot, bro, hold up now. I don't know what that is. What kind? There you go. I don't exactly know what kind they were. He liked that too. But shout out Clean and Green Lawn Service, Gerald, or as I call him, just G. Just call him G. I like that better. Go give him a follow. He's a real super nice dude, cool guy. One of the smaller channels, but he's bigger than me. But anyway, give him a look him up too. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.